Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we can finally talk about something that everybody's been asking me about, and that is what is the pricing structure for the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee lineup. Well, today breaks the embargo, and now we can officially talk about how much this truck's going to cost, because Ram is giving us 4 factory-built muscle trucks that range from a naturally aspirated 5.7-liter HEMI V8 to a supercharged 777 horsepower SRT flagship. And the lineup starts at $59,995 before a $2,795 destination charge and tops out at $94,995 before destination. So, unlike a conventional appearance package, the new Rumblebee is built around a dedicated wide-body quad cab and short 5-foot 7-inch bed configuration. Now, Ram has removed 13 inches from the standard frame, reducing flex about 10%, while creating a shorter, stockier truck. Now, every version retains 4 doors, a usable cargo box, full-time 4-wheel drive, and a driver-selectable rear-wheel drive mode. Now, the lineup also keeps it like actual legitimate truck capability in the equation, because depending on the configuration, Rumblebee models can tow up to 8,890 pounds and carry up to 1,160 pounds of payload. All 4 share flat bottom steering wheel, console mounted shifter, aluminum paddle shifters, wide body sheet metal, and performance focused chassis tuning. So we're going to go through the actual order guides once again. We did it once before, but this time I'm going to give you a breakdown of not only the standard equipment on the trucks, but I'm going to give you a breakdown of the pricing. So the first truck we're going to talk about is the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee 5.7. Now, the entry-level Rumblebee carries a $59,995 MSRP or $62,790 with destination. It arrives first in late 2026 and gives Ram buyers the basic ingredients of a modern muscle truck without forcing them into the price range of the more specialized 392 and SRT models. Now, power comes from the familiar 5.7-liter HEMI Eagle V8, rated at 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Ram deletes the eTorque mild hybrid system and automatic start-stop hardware, although the engine keeps its multi-displacement system cylinder deactivation technology to reduce fuel consumption during light load driving. Now, an 8 HP 75 torque flight 8-speed automatic transmission sends power through a 392 axle ratio. Full-time active 4-wheel drive is standard, but a console-mounted rear-wheel drive button disconnects the front axle, and basically it can give the driver a more traditional rear-wheel drive muscle truck experience. Now, performance is respectable rather than extreme. Ram estimates that it has a 6.1 second run from 0 to 60 and a 14.6 second quarter mile time at 93 miles an hour. There's Bilstein monotube shocks, a widened suspension geometry, and larger stabilizer bars to give it a low, firmer, and more controlled feel than a regular Ram 1500. Now, the exterior includes the Ram Rumblebee wide-body treatment, body-colored fender flares and bumpers, sport mirrors, which are actually from the Grand Wagoneer, which I actually think that Ram should put across their lineup. They actually look really good in person. 22-inch by 10-inch wheels wrapped in 285/45 R22 all-season tires, optional bedside graphics, and then there's colors such as detonator yellow, molten red, and ceramic gray that add extra attitude. Now, inside, buyers get a manually adjusted cloth bucket seats. They get gray stone stitching, a GT console shifter, and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, as well as an 8.4-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, it's very basic interior, but that's what this truck is about. It's about actual keeping the price down low for what Ram wants to offer with it. Now, 5 drive modes are also available. There's Auto, Sport, Snow, Tow, and Custom, and they adjust the truck's responses. So again, this truck is going to be stickering at with the destination, $62,790 as your starting price. The next truck we're going to be talking about is the one that everybody's excited about, and that's the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee 392. Now, the Rumblebee 392 steps up to $74,995 or $77,790 with destination. Its biggest selling point right off the bat is the name. This is the first factory Ram 1500 application with the 6.4-liter 392 HEMI V8. So internally known as the Apache, the naturally aspirated engine produces 470 horsepower, 455 pound-feet of torque. It uses a forged steel crankshaft, higher compression, and larger valves than the 5.7-liter HEMI. Delivers a stronger mid-range and a sharper top end. The The 392 also uses the same 8 HP 75 8-speed automatic transmission, full-time four-wheel drive system, and 392 rear axle ratio as the base truck. An optional asymmetric limited slip differential is planned for later availability, giving buyers another way to improve power delivery under hard acceleration. Now, Ram estimates that the Rumblebee 392 will reach 60 miles an hour in 5.2 seconds and run the quarter mile in 13.2 seconds at 101 miles an hour. It keeps the steel spring suspension and Bilstein monotube shocks, making it the straightforward big engine choice rather than the full track package. Now, visually, the 392 uses the same muscular wide-body shape and 22-inch by 10-inch wheel size as the 5.7-liter truck. Its Rumblebee badge adds prowler yellow coloring with optional graphics, 20-inch performance wheels, and a broader exterior color selection, giving owners room to personalize the truck. Now, the cabin adds a 10-way power cloth driver's seat, prowler yellow accent stitching, twin deco trim, and a thicker performance steering wheel, as well as a 12-inch Uconnect 5 display and 10-speaker Alpine audio system, and they're all included, while a configurable heads-up display or HUD and active drive assist are available. So the next truck is probably the most actual talked about truck in the lineup, and it's something we haven't even seen just yet, and that is the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee 392 Track Pack. So priced at $79,995 or $82,790 with destination, the 392 Track Pack cost only $5,000 more than the standard 392. Now, that increase transforms the truck from a street-oriented muscle pickup into a more serious handling and braking package without moving up to the Supercharged SRT power. Now, the Track Pack retains its 475 horsepower, 455 pound-feet of torque, and 8 HP 75 automatic transmission. It also adds electronic spool differential that can lock the rear axle for an even torque split, helping with drag strip launches and controlled burnouts in rear-wheel drive. A four-corner air suspension replaces the steel springs. There's Bilstein Damptronic Sky dual-valve adaptive shocks, consistently adjusting compression and rebound, while track mode can actually lower the truck by 1.5 inches. Ram says the setup can actually deliver 0.89 Gs of lateral grip. Now, braking receives a much major upgrade because it will have 16.1-inch front rotors and 6-piston Brembo calipers. There's launch control, track mode, valet mode, and the electronic spool button are standard, giving the driver more control over how the truck behaves on the street, the drag strip, or road course. Now, the Track Pack also adapts the more aggressive aerodynamic package, so it gets a deep front splitter, underbody aero shield, functional cooling openings, and an available hard tonneau cover, and an 80mm rear spoiler to help control lift. Now, Ram says the actual system can create 192 pounds of positive downforce at 170 miles an hour. Now, its exterior is finished with 22 by 12-inch wheels, a massive 325/40 R22 tires, creating one of the widest factory wheel and tire combinations Ram has ever offered. Now, inside, there's 12-way leather and suede front seats, stronger bolsters, prowler yellow stitching, and model-specific trim that raise the performance atmosphere. And of course, the big king of the hill is the 2027 Ram 1500 Rumblebee SRT. So the flagship Rumblebee SRT starts at $94,995 or $97,790 with destination. That prices it below the $100,000 mark before fees, while delivering the most power, quickest acceleration, and highest targeted top speed in the four-truck Rumblebee family. So its supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI Hellcat V8 produces 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. The 2.4-liter IHI twin-screw supercharger develops 13 psi of boost, while a stronger 8 HP 95 TorqueFlite automatic transmission handles the additional output. Now, Ram uses a 355 axle ratio for the high-speed performance, and Ram targets a 3.4 second 0 to 60 time and an 11.6 second quarter mile time at 116 miles an hour, as well as a 170 mile an hour top speed. So those figures make the SRT dramatically quicker than the original 2024 to 2026 Ram SRT 10, which produced 500 horsepower and topped out at 154 miles an hour. Now, the SRT receives an extensive cooling system designed for repeated track use in 100-degree weather. Its front fascia feeds airflow directly to the engine, transmission, oil coolers, and brakes. So ducting can reduce front brake temperatures by more than 30%, depending on speed and conditions. Now, chassis hardware mirrors the track pack's air suspension, adaptive Bilstein dampers, Brembo brakes, electronic spool differential, launch control, and 7 drive modes. The 22 by 12-inch wheels and 325mm tires work with the aerodynamic package to provide high-speed stability and serious mechanical grip. Now, inside, the SRT gets 12-way Natural Plus leather and suede seats. It gets desert orange stitching and a suede headliner, actual carbon fiber trim, metal pedals, and then the technology includes a 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, the heads-up display, standard active driving assist, and a 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, which is a very first application of it in a quad cab configuration. Now, for buyers looking to order one of these trucks, Ram will offer 6 bold exterior colors at launch. There's diamond black, bright white, Sorrento green, molten red, ceramic gray, and of course Rumblebee yellow, which was originally named Detonator yellow, but you might recall from the Jay Leno's Garage episode, Jay Leno said it should be called Rumblebee yellow, so Tim Kuniskis made it official. Now, with the Rumblebee, Ram is building on a complete on-road performance family rather than a single Halo model. So buyers can choose from the affordable 5.7-liter starting point, a naturally aspirated 392, a track-focused 392, or the full 777 horsepower SRT experience. Now, all Rumblebees will be produced at Stellantis' Saltillo truck assembly plant in Mexico. The Rumblebee 5.7 is scheduled to reach dealers in the end of 2026, while the actual Rumblebee 392, Rumblebee 392 Track Pack, and Rumblebee SRT are expected during the first half of 2027. So I want to know what you guys think of this actual pricing structure lineup. Make sure to take and hit your comments, or leave your comments down below. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for more Ram Rumblebee info. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.